So, you've been invited to your first Ukrainian party. First comes the excitement, but then the panic. What are you supposed to say? What do you bring? Will you have to give a speech? By the end of this video, you'll not only have the most important Ukrainian birthday phrases down, but you'll also understand the 5 key traditions that will make you look like you've been celebrating this way your whole life. This is your complete guide to celebrating birthdays the Ukrainian way, so you can relax and have a great time with your friends. Let's get into it. First things first, let's get the language right. In English, we say happy birthday. In Ukrainian, the one phrase you absolutely need is з днем народження. This literally means with the day of birth. You can use it in any situation, formal or informal. It's your perfect go-to. But this is where you can really impress your friends. In Ukraine, just saying happy birthday is often the starting line for a longer, heartfelt set of wishes. It's not just about marking the day, it's about blessing the person's year ahead. The magic word to start your wishes is бажаю, which means I wish you. After that, you can add a whole list of wonderful things. Let's build a classic Ukrainian birthday wish together. You start with the basics. Бажаю тобі здоров'я, щастя, успіху. This means I wish you health, happiness, success. The more sincere and specific you are, the better. Here are a few more heavy hitters you can add to your list. First, миру, peace. Currently, this is probably one of the most powerful and meaningful wishes you can offer. Next, любові, love, a universal sentiment that is always welcome. Then, натхнення, inspiration. This is a beautiful one, wishing them creativity and a spark in their life. And a classic, щоб усі твої мрії збулися. That all your dreams come true. So, a full fantastic wish could sound like this. З днем народження. Бажаю тобі міцного здоров'я, щастя, любові, миру, натхнення і щоб усі твої мрії збулися. Happy birthday! I wish you strong health, happiness, love, peace, inspiration, and for all your dreams to come true. The key here is sincerity. When you watch Ukrainians give these wishes, they are often standing, speaking with genuine emotion. It's a performance of pure affection, and it's one of the most beautiful parts of the celebration. Now you know what to say, so let's talk about what to do. Ukrainian birthdays are packed with some fascinating traditions and superstitions. Here are the 5 traditions you need to know. The first one is that the birthday person hosts and pays. This might be the biggest culture shock. In Ukraine, the person whose birthday it is plans the party, invites everyone, and covers all the costs. Think of it like this. Your birthday is the chance to thank the people in your life for being there for you. The second kind of tradition is to never wish a happy birthday early. It's better not to wish a Ukrainian happy birthday before the actual day. It's considered incredibly bad luck. If your friend's birthday is on Friday, do not send a text on Thursday night. Wait for the day itself. The third one is the odd number flower rule. If you bring flowers, which is a fantastic and common gift, there is one crucial rule. Always give an odd number of stamps. 1, 3, 5, 7, you get the idea. At a Ukrainian birthday party, especially a dinner, get ready for toasts. And I'm not talking about a quick cheers and a clink of glasses. Ukrainian toasts are personal, heartfelt speeches A lot just like wishes we just practiced. Throughout the celebration, guests will take turns standing, raising their glasses, and delivering a short monologue. Don't feel pressured to give a long speech, but having a short and sweet wish ready will be a good hit. And the last one is Mnohaya Lita. While you might not hear the happy birthday to you song, you will almost certainly hear Mnohaya Lita. This is the traditional Ukrainian birthday song, and its title means many years. The lyrics are beautifully simple, often just repeating the phrase Mnohaya Lita, wishing the person a long, healthy, and happy life. It's also sung at weddings and other big celebrations. If you are finding these tips useful and want to keep exploring Ukrainian language and culture with me, make sure you subscribed and hit that like button. I'd love to have you along for the next videos. And if you would like to support my work even more, you can do it on Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for your support. Celebrating a birthday the Ukrainian way is so much more than just getting a year older. It's an act of love, community, and deep respect. So just remember, lead with a warm "З днем народження", follow up with sincere wishes for health and happiness. And of course, count your flowers. You are not just a guest anymore. You are a knowledgeable and respectful friend who's ready to celebrate properly. Now I have a question for you. Drop the comment below and tell me, what's the most surprising and interesting birthday tradition you learned about today? I'm always curious to know what you think. Thanks for joining me. See you soon. Papa.